Hello, my name is Ajay and I am a teacher from the Art of Living. So I've been teaching the Art of Living course for children for the past week in Bidar, and I really appreciate all the response, all the wonderful experiences that I've had while teaching the course here in Bidar. You know, there has been a fantastic response with over 80 people joining the course, and the children are having a great time attending the course, learning new skills, developing their knowledge, and the parents are seeing a very good response from the children as well. I really want to appreciate all the hard work that has been put in by the entire Art of Living team of Bidar, Mrs. Sachidanand, Santosh, Dr. Satish, Satya Prakash, Saurabh, and the whole Art of Living team, who has done a fantastic job in arranging course in such a short duration of time. And the vision we have for Bidar is we want to make it one of the best districts in terms of results for the 10th and 12th students. So the entire team is working hard to ensure that the children are equipped with the necessary skills in order to deal effectively with their studies and also become well-rounded citizens of the future. In fact, I would love you all to extend your support to the Art of Living team in Bidar. The vision we have is for the children to become excellent in studies and get phenomenal results, as well as for the adults to become stress-free and become more efficient at their work, become equipped with all the skills to deal with the challenges in life. So I would invite you to extend your support and ensure that the work that Art of Living team is doing in Bidar is encouraged, and this knowledge, this technique of Sudarshan Kriya reaches each and every person in Bidar.
Hello, I am Soumya from Bidar. Before coming to this course, I used to have problem while studying. All other thoughts except studies used to come to my mind. But after coming to this course, they have taught us concentration pranayam. Now I can concentrate for about 2.5 hours. I have learned how to approach new friends, how to be confident, and I have lost my stage fear also. So I think I will again come to this course if I have a chance.
I learned many things in this art of living, like concentration pranayam, Sudarshan Kriya, and Bhastrika pranayam. In concentration pranayam, before I was not able to concentrate on my studies, but now I am totally able to concentrate on my studies. So anytime it will be anywhere, I will obviously take part in it and give my best. Thank you.
I learned many things from this course, like how to handle situations, how to respect our parents and our elders, how to make friends and how to behave with our friends. I also learned somebody tells bad about us. If it is, then we have to correct our mistakes. Otherwise, ignore, like laugh and let it go, like learn from the past and always to dream about the future, always to dream about the future, but not only this, we have to be in the present, when we do hard work, we get success, but sometimes we fail. Winning or losing, life is but winning or losing is not it's not life is a celebration.
Everybody, my name is Sabina. Now I am in Art Excel program. Today we have learnt yesterday, day before, since 3 days, yoga, games, and a new game, Om game. I learned here Surya Namaskar, and thank you.
Yes, course has totally changed my life. So I'm now able to concentrate on my studies, and now I'm gonna top my exams.
Once again.